Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to Max DM Crafting. In this episode I'm gonna try some airbrush techniques thanks to Galeri. Galeri didn't sponsor the video, but they were kind enough to send me a couple of airbrushes. I will try them on the field. Let's open the boxes and see what we have on our hands. Crack on! Advanced series. I like very much the pack. Ooh. Inside we have all the parts. This is the GAD 39. Dear customer, each Galeri airbrush undergoes rigorous spray testing before leaving the factory. There might be minor paint residue present. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. If the product indeed has an issue, no need to return it. Just contact us to confirm the problem and we will arrange a reshipment for you. That's great. This is a great customer service, guys. I like it very much. And then we have our instruction for the Galeri. This is the GAD 39. Okay, interesting, but we want to see the actual airbrush. Here it is, guys. Oh yes. Accessories. There's some lube here. Lube, nice. A nozzle, a new one, another dimension nozzle. I think this is a bigger one. The needle, 0.5 millimeter needle. We have a couple of cups. Wow, this is big, guys. Nice, I like it very much. It's not perfectly lucid, but they used to advertise us, so this is very nice. And this is the actual airbrush. Oh, I see, it's very, very elegant, not so heavy. Many regulations. Oh, this is the final regulation for the needle. Let's remove the cap here. This is the tension for the button here, for the trigger. So you can adjust the tension. Let's place the cap. And that's it. Beautiful. We will test it immediately on the castle, okay? Let's try it. So let's see the regulation of this advanced series entry. Remember, this is the GH-AD39 and it's a Galeri advanced series. Look at the lines, nice. Very, very nice. You can regulate the flux here. See? Interesting. Very beautiful. Let's do some wood.
Airbrushing or brushwork in diorama painting? For me, it's never just about speed, it's about the effect I want to achieve. In the world of epic Warhammer Fantasy or Mordheim dioramas, the right technique can bring terrains and miniatures to life in a way that's almost magical. I use an airbrush for broad, even surfaces, creating zenithal highlights or achieving smooth blends between different shades. On the other hand, the brush comes in for those intricate details, whether I'm dry brushing to make texture pop or using washes to add the age and character to surfaces. Now, if we only cared about speed, the airbrush wins hands down, 10-1, but experience teaches us when to choose one tool over the other, balancing each to achieve the best possible outcome. The cost might be slightly higher overall, but since the airbrush covers more area with less paint, it's definitely a worthy investment. In the end, it's all about combining the strengths of each technique to create something truly unique.